Mama Medusa here. Welcome to my channel. My channel, my canal. Yeah, that's gonna work. Scratch that. Anyways, today I'm excited to show you the unboxing of my Cannabox. You shall see what's inside. Yeah, let's see this bad boy. Ooh, look how it looks. Ooh. Ah. This is how it looks when I first open it. It has a flyer. I guess this theme is summertime. Yeah, so summertime. And the first thing I see in this box is a maintainer. I don't know what I'm using it to cover it. It's the stash container. Basically it has this in it, but what you do is you put your gun inside here, right, and then the bottom is a grinder. So what you do is you stash your stuff here, right? When you're outside, this is like multi-purpose, it's freaking awesome. If you're outside, you stash your stuff here, put it in there, grind it up, and yeah, that's how you use it. I might show you exactly. Well, I'll show you later. I got another t-shirt. Oh my god, I got another t-shirt. I love t-shirts. Oh my god. It has little colorful stuff here. I have OCD, so that's not going far. Ooh, what's this? This is a magnetic bottle opener. Designated bottle opener, guys. Designated bottle opener. I'm not chicken lies, but I got a designated bottle opener. So yeah, that's this. And now we got a shirt. Oh my god, it's a shirt. It's a shirt. It says shape out of sublime. Do I have a sublime? I got a sublime piece. But yeah, shape out of sublime. You probably will be seeing me wearing this the next episode. But yeah. Shape out of sublime. Shape out of sublime. Shape out of sublime. Watch out for my shirts. My shirts, I'm going to be making shirts soon. Watch out for them. Oh yeah. Then we have self-stick B papers. That's funny because my nickname is B. It's funny has the B papers. It says stick it, don't lick it. So I'm assuming you just stick and not lick it like any other joint. I will test this out in a few. I'm taking my pipe for last. Oh my god. Skull candies. Sugar, it says sugar. It says sugar skulls. I love skulls. I don't know, well, of course you may know. If you do know me, some people probably watching this do know me. But if you don't know me, I fucking adore skulls. I love skulls, whether it's human skulls or fake skulls. I just love skulls. And they're skull shaped too. Look at that. And they're skull shaped. Oh my god. Yeah, that's one of them. Oh yeah, says Sublime Long Beach, California right here. On this right here, I don't know if you see it, but it says it. And yeah, this is a nice pipe. I don't know what this is, but it looks kind of cool. No, it is not a joint. It is not. You're gonna watch me go while I blow up this joint, because right here. Yeah, that's the outcome. I thought the camera was rolling, but it wasn't rolling. I rolled the joints from this. It is actually very good. The joint is good. I rolled it. It's perfectly fine. Now to see the pipe again, because you guys didn't see it because of the other video. And my other thing was I recorded. Remember, butane kills the membrane, so don't use that, guys. Smooth it. Nice smooth hit, sublime. But yeah, guys, as I said before, if you have any comments, any requests, anything, just follow the comments below. I'm gonna put the link for Cannabox. Follow me on Snapchat, Mary Medusa. Follow me on Instagram, Mama Medusa. Facebook, you'll find me on Instagram to get that. Tumblr and Till then, my little Slytherins, my little snakes.